Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a happy cherry blossom tree. This lesson's a lot of fun. I hope you're excited to follow along with me and you have your art supplies already. Now we're using markers to draw and color with, but remember you can always use whatever you have. Like colored pencils or even crayons work great. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our tree's happy face. We're going to draw a smile towards the bottom of our paper, but in the middle. We're going to draw the top of the mouth, and you could also change the funny face to be any way you want. You don't have to match my same. I'm going to draw it kind of crazy. So we're going to draw the bottom. It looks like the letter J. And if you want, you could complete the mouth on the left side. I'm going to leave it open. So we got the teeth, then we got a tongue down here at the bottom, and we could draw a short line here for the back of the mouth and color that in. There's the mouth. Then we're going to draw the eyes. We'll draw two circles. I'm going to draw them this size so we don't get too big. The trunk's going to be really wide. Next, we can draw the highlight or a small circle inside each eye, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we're ready to draw the trunk and the start of the tree. We're going to draw two lines coming down on each side for the side of the trunk. Then we're going to draw the roots coming out further. Next, we can draw them coming back in. And then let's draw more roots. We're going to draw a line curving that kind of matches what we did on the outside, and then we'll come back in. Yeah, it kind of looks like feet. Then let's add one more little root right here in the middle of our tree. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, next let's draw the branches, where it kind of looks like the hair. We're going to draw curving out to the side. And then we can draw the first branch. I'm going to draw a letter V and a letter V over here. Then let's leave some space and add another letter V for more branches. And then right here in the middle, let's draw kind of a weird shape for those branches. So this is the gap in between each of those branches. Now, next, let's draw the spring blossoms, the cherry blossoms. We're going to just draw first the main outside shape, and we can draw, it looks like water. We're going to draw a bumpy line, and I'm going to try to connect to each of the branches, but it's okay if they don't. We can go back and connect them. So we got this water line that connects all of them, and then we can go back in and make sure they all touch. Okay, then let's draw the outside shape. We're going to start down here. And I'm going to draw more water lines or bumpy lines, and we can match on this side too. So we're going to come out further, then we're going to go around and connect up at the top. So you can mix up these bumpy lines too. So some can be small, and then we can make them bigger and medium, and just don't worry about trying to make your tree look exactly like mine, especially on this part. You can just mix up these bumps any way you want. And you could also make it taller too. I kind of made mine short. The next time I do it, I think I'll go up a little higher, but it's okay. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. All right, now let's draw the blossoms, the cherry blossoms on the inside. And we're gonna draw little flowers. First, we're gonna draw one right in the middle. So we draw an upside down letter U. Then we're going to draw two letter U's on their side and then two connecting the bottom. So we get 5 petals going around. And then we can add more. I'm going to leave a little space. We'll do it right here. Oh, we could change the size of these. I'm really drawing them big, but you could add little ones too. Maybe we'll do that after we add the big ones. So this part I'll speed up because we're just repeating the same step to fill in all of the blossoms or the space. So you can pause the video and take extra time to do this part on your drawing. Now we finished adding the blossoms. Let's add grass down here on the side. I'm gonna draw a zigzag line coming out from the tree and the same on the right. And there we go, we finished our cherry blossom, or happy cherry blossom tree, except we still need to color it. We're gonna use a bunch of pinks to fill in the top part, but this part I'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. All right, we finished coloring. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. You can also add more things like a background. I added little petals falling down, but you can change it any way you want. Oh, and I also used my yellow paint marker to add 4 small dots to the inside of each little blossom. And you could also add birds sitting in the tree or yourself playing underneath the tree. That would be really cool. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.